we doing? Okay guys, we went to McDonald's and Starbucks and we got 2 burritos from McDonald's. Grayson has a hash brown. I have a BLT with ketchup. And Grayson has, oh my god. And Grayson has his bagel with cream cheese that he's probably not gonna eat, okay? Yeah. He got me to go to the not the liquor store. What the frick? He got me to go to the gas station to get his juice, didn't ya? So then he has his juice. And I have my Starbucks. You want your juice? My boy is munching on that. Is it good? I knew he would love it. Everyone's looking at me like too freaking. Yeah, you tell him.
A bus.
You're on a bus? No, sit on your bum. Sit on your bum, boy. No. Ah! Oh my god, if that went on my pants, I would have screamed. I already screamed, but look, Grayson.
The egg.
You don't want the egg? Guys, you should have heard in the Starbucks lineup. I mean, at the line, at the counter. These girls were drooling over him. Drooling. Weren't they? Hot.
Oh, shiny.
We could have ate this inside, babe. I'm actually so glad that he's eating that. I feel like he's not gonna eat his bagel. I should just got 2 hash browns.
Mommy, get it.
What? You want a bite?
Yeah.
Of egg?
Yeah, where?
You want the sausage? You're not gonna eat that. I don't know why you're touching it. Good boy! He ate it!
Hot.
It is kind of hot. It's good. I know.
Cold. Hot.
I know. He ate sausage! That burrito was good. Is your hash brown good? Oh, it's not? Then why are you eating it? What are we doing today?
Tuesday.
I said I'm going to my dad's. Yeah, I have to go to work because I work every weekend. So I have to go to work, and Grayson's going to his dad's house.
What else?
Because I have to work every single day. Fuck, I thought I said no mayo. Fuck. Say shit.
Shit.
Shit balls. Fuck.
The ball.
Shit a ball? What is this? Y'all, what the freak? I had to remake my sandwich. I just had to remake my sandwich because that wasn't what I wanted. My boy's still on his hash brown. Aren't you? He's still on his hash brown. Oh, you're so cute. I'm actually... Those girls at Starbucks really wanted you. Grayson, like you had... These girls are crushing on you. I'm telling Maya. I'm telling Maya when you go back to daycare that you found new women. Okay? Oh, you don't want me to tell her? I don't want your hash brown. He was doing this one. Show them how you eat your hash brown.
No.
Go. You keep saying I want out. Like, why do you want to go eat your hash brown in the rain? It's not even... What would be me?
Ouch.
But why?
Why?
It's a parking lot. There's literally nothing to do in a parking lot. Grayson, it's empty. It's Sunday. Nobody's out here. You realize that, right? Right? Yeah. Okay, I think I got too much food. Because I don't think I can, like... I don't even think I'm going to touch the fucking burrito. Maybe Daddy will want the burrito. Do you want your juice? Grayson, you've been on that hash brown for, like, the whole time.
I got.
I'll hold it. You're making a mess of the car.
Oh.
Did you just fart?
Yay. Yay.
Do you stink? Yesterday But I'm holding your hash brown. I'm holding your hash brown. Why are you gonna play with that? Period, explanation point, period. Why are you putting your seatbelt on as if you're gonna drive up here with me? You're not. Do you want this? We're not driving. Look at this kid. He literally has it, like, ready. He's like, let's go, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
No, we're not. That's really, really dangerous. Mommy could be in big, big trouble.
Ready?
You're not ready because you're not going. You have to be in your car seat to go. Right? Right. So you're done with your hash brown? That's all? That's all she wrote? What is this? Grayson? Do you want your hash brown, sir?
No.
Eating the crumbs on the chair, but he won't eat his hash brown. I think the seagulls want it. Do you want to give them to the seagulls?
Hi.
Okay, we were so excited to open this bagel. Okay? It looks good. Like, you can see it there. You can see it in the middle. Can you...
Yay!
Guys, when you open the bagel, this is what is on it. That's it. What is that? Grayson, why would they do that? And they burnt this side of it. I'm not eating my burrito either. Do better, McDonald's. Do better. Because I wouldn't have made a bagel like that. And my fucking BLT was shit too. I didn't even finish it. And I'm not even touching the other burrito.